Inside your body, the digestive system works like a powerful processing machine. It all begins in the mouth, where chewing and saliva break food into smaller pieces. As the food moves down the esophagus and reaches the stomach, strong acids and enzymes start dissolving it into a soft mixture. Next, this mixture enters the small intestine, where most nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. The liver and pancreas release important digestive juices to help this process. Finally, the remaining waste moves into the large intestine, where water is removed before the body eliminates it. Want the full 3D explanation? Subscribe now. The complete video is coming soon.